So OpenAI went public today, and what that means is that you're not going to be able to buy it on private markets. You're going to be able to buy the stock at the IPO. And a lot of these companies that are private, they're in the news a lot, like OpenAI, and people don't really understand too much about how private markets work. So I just wanted to explain how that works with OpenAI. In the case of OpenAI, there are investors who own the shares privately. It's mostly big institutions, high net worth individuals, investment funds like venture capital funds and things like that. And then when the company goes public, after the IPO, it'll be a public stock just like Apple or anything else. So typically you cannot buy before the IPO. There's this word pre-IPO that gets used and abused, and that's typically not possible. So I would be suspicious of anyone trying to sell that. But private markets do exist, and accredited investors and mostly institutions might buy stock in private markets. But once the IPO happens, then anybody can buy it, just like you can buy Apple stock. So that was exciting news that OpenAI announced the IPO. It's going to be targeted to be a 1 trillion IPO, which is huge. So we're going to keep following that. And I'm going to put a link to the venture capital course. If you're interested to learn more about venture capital, I do have a book and a course on Udemy that explain the basics. And it's a really interesting market if you want to get into it, whether you're looking to invest or you want a job, a career, or you're just interested in how it works. The course and the book will explain all that. Thank you. Have a great day.